YARRAMATE Olive Oil Dispenser. The YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer for cooking is a versatile 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser designed for healthy and efficient meal preparation. Its dual functionality allows you to spray or pour oil with precision, making it perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling. Crafted from high-quality food-grade materials, it ensures safety and durability. The transparent bottle lets you easily monitor oil levels and prevent waste. The ergonomic, leak-proof design ensures mess-free use and a secure grip during handling. Its adjustable nozzle provides fine misting for even application or controlled pouring for larger amounts. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both kitchen use and outdoor barbecues. Easy to clean and refill, it offers hassle-free maintenance. This multi-purpose dispenser is suitable for olive oil, vinegar, or other liquid seasonings. Elevate your cooking experience with the convenient and stylish YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer.